1, 2, 3.
Yo, so what's up guys? Yo, daddy-os and daddyettes. Good to see you guys again. So today we're gonna be running some shit. All right, so here at the shop, you know, we build twin turbo V10s, you know, McLarens, like my beautiful one back here. Evos are our primary bread and butter, and you know, we do Porsche and all that stuff. But you know, we got a treat for you guys today. So we're gonna run my Mac versus this twin turbo R8 that we just finished up. So it's a V10 Plus, so it has the better gearing, has shorter gearing than a regular V10. And, you know, it's a stage one package. You know, the customer didn't want to go and get all the beans right off the rip because my R8 still isn't here because it's over at Alex's shop out at Sheepey. Alex, finish my car. Hurry up, I needs it. But at any rate, we're going to see what happens. You know, it should be pretty good. You know, I think I'm going to get them up top because, number one, I'm lighter. And number two, as far as crank horsepower goes, we're not that far off. So this is tuned. I don't have my downpipes in. We're putting this on the low boost map just to see what it does versus that. So I don't know, man. It's gonna be a pretty good one. I think I'm gonna walk them up top though. I'm not gonna get traction because it's cold. It's like 40 something degrees right now. I'm on 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗜𝗓, so the motherfuckers are bricks. So we're gonna have to do rolling burnout mode at the light before we get on the road to go. So we're gonna see what happens, but I think it's gonna be pretty good. So you guys stick around and watch it. All right, you know, pay attention because if you guys are looking to get a twin turbo V10 or one of these, obviously I'm a McLaren guy, the whole Mac Daddy thing, but you know, we'll see. I vote McLaren, but if you guys are in the market to get a supercar, it's hard to beat a twin turbo V10. It's hard. So unless you're driving one of these and it's modified, you ain't gonna do it. Now, you got a 765 or a modded 720, yeah, you're gonna kill it. So, I don't know, let's go guys, we're gonna find out.
So this has a stage one Sheepey twin turbo kit, and Rico's car has a stage one tune from 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟. Rico's car is probably putting it out about 740 horsepower or so, and this is closer to 8. However, the Audi weighs about 500 pounds more. So if you look at the power to weight ratio, the advantage is going to lie probably in the McLaren at this point, and the traction advantage is going to be in the Audi because it's all-wheel drive.
Why do you think he's already all the way back?
Yeah.
We gotta warm these tires up. Warm these tires up.
Oh, he's doing a burnout. Oh, fuck. He's got to heat those tires up.
So we're gonna leave ESC in dynamic so we don't get too fucking squirrely and slide off the road. 1, 2, 3!
That was fantastic.
And he got the jump on me.
Yep, it's the cop. Nah.
Because I couldn't see.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
You're good, you're good, you're good. Just drive normal.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3! Got him! Got him!
The car shifted on its own.
What car?
Oh, because I'm not in S. This car.
1, 2, 3!
Got him.
We
So on
can't.
the first race, you got the jump on me. On the first race, you got the jump on me by, you know, like half a second. And that's, but you maintained your lead. It was like we're the same speed.
So,
any issues with the car?
this one, I could feel it pulling timing.
Did you?
I think it's because it's cold and it's,
And
you know,
hitting higher loads.
it's hitting higher loads, so
Yeah.
it's pulling a little bit more timing. So I felt it, but
I mean, I think either one of these cars could win on either given day.
yeah.
But I mean, bro, for the money and for, you know, the all-wheel drive, for the daily drivability, like
This, like it's hard to beat.
That was the cleanest takeoff. Flat.
Yeah.
Flat and perfect I've ever been. Flat.
1, 2, 3.
good. That was a good one. That was a good one. Those cops were probably for us.
You think so?
Yeah.
100%.
All right, then let's just fucking go back. Let's just
Yep.
go back.
Yep. It's impressive. Like a daily driven, you know, fast car, like fast exotic, R8, twin turbo it. Or do what the Mac Daddy does and buy McLarens. But I mean, if you live in a warm climate. Like here, it's cold, you're not gonna get traction during the winter, it is what it is. But outside of that, yeah, you're fucking boogieing. But for all around use, twin turbo R8 or twin turbo Hurricane. If you have the money, you buy a Hurricane twin turbo. If you don't have the money, or you know you're looking for more headroom, buy the R8. That's why I bought the R8 instead of buying a Hurricane. I already had a McLaren, so didn't need the looks, and I wanted something that was a little bit more comfortable to drive every day. So that's why I got the R8. It looks good. In my opinion, the R8 looks fantastic. There's more headroom than a Hurricane, and it's just an all-around really good car that you can use. Like, you can actually use it. It's not like, oh, okay, well, I can only drive it when it's warm and no, you could drive it all year round. And even being twin turbo, it's cold outside. Like, it is 40, 45, 46 degrees. Still got traction. I didn't get traction. I was spinning and had to back off a couple times. So that just goes to show you, having something like this is just really good to have, and it's usable all year round. Yep. So, like I said, man, this thing boogies. So twin turbo R8 for a daily. If you're looking to have something that's fast in all conditions, you buy one of these puppies right here. If you want to be part of the Mac Daddy-O's, get you a McLaren. Obviously so. We'll see what happens, after the downpipes and the retune. We'll probably get them then. It's a driver's race. It's hard. It's hard to beat something like this, man. The twin turbo V10, they're fast. There's no denying it. And this is just a stage one. So imagine what happens when my baby get back and we doing all the things. We making way more power than this. We doing well over 2 times this. Imagine what that feels like. So we gonna see. We'll probably do a couple comparison videos. Hopefully my R8 will be finished in a few weeks, so we can put that up on the channel so you guys can really see. We going hunting. Yes, we hunting. We hunting for Hellcats. Oh yeah, I'm digging in the Mopar community ass. Hey, by the way, 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗜𝗓, when my R8 come back, I want to see you, me and you. And I don't want to hear that, oh, well, here comes a dual clutch car that's all-wheel drive that has more money put into it. Because you have twins, you have a larger displacement motor, you got a 426 stroker, you now have a billet input shaft. I don't care if you're rolling your own gears, you've been talking mad trash online, I'm just saying. So we're about to see what happens. I'm not coming to race motive because all the fast cars go to slipstream. So I'm gonna catch you though. We're gonna do it, we're gonna dance, we're gonna tango. Let's see what happens. Hopefully you run 7s. Later.